model, 62-plate Ford Transit 125 T300 Fwd 9-seater silver minibus long MOT Great Runner. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 146395. MOT, the 24th of October 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear seat area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest minibus. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 3 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.